A healthy lifestyle includes exercise. You've got to get movement. So I try and do something every day. Now, I had a couple of tough workouts. I had 2 hard workouts. I had one, what was it, Wednesday and Friday. So today is like what I call an active rest day. So I'm still going to get some movement, so a little activity, but it's more of a rest day. I'm trying to recover, trying to let the muscles recover. So today what I'll do is very simple. I'll just walk, and I love to walk backwards. It's good for your knees. So I'm walking backwards, and then I'll stretch. I'm only going to do 2 stretches. I'm not trying to make it complicated. And the worst thing you can do with a workout or any activity is sometimes going for too much. You want to do a workout where you feel like, I look forward to doing that again. So I'm going to walk backwards, maybe do a mile, not much, just a mile. So I'm walking backwards for 15, 20 minutes. And then I'm going to do maybe 10, 15 minutes of stretching. And that's my physical activity for the day. The rest of the day, I'm taking it easy because I'm in that recovery mode right now. So I'm going for my walk. Okay, I just finished up my 1 mile walk. I got the blood flowing. I broke a light sweat. Here in Florida today is a rainy day. It's very humid. So I got a light sweat going, got the blood flowing. So now's a good time to do the stretches. Just 2 simple stretches. Now, I want you to keep this in mind also. The body is only as strong as its weakest link. Now, I know what my weak links are. And, you want to elongate the muscles. You don't want the muscles getting shorter and shorter and tightening up. So I know my quads and my hamstrings, my hip flexors are all super tight. I mean, like piano wire tight, okay? So these are my weaknesses. And I try to focus on these a little bit every day. And I'm going to show you the 2 exercises I do right now. Okay, this first stretch is for the hip flexors and the quads. And I've got my feet elevated slightly. That makes it a little easier. And I'm just leaning back. It's okay to put your hands down and just go back as far as you can go and see if your body can bring yourself up without the hands. And you can also stay at the low point and do pulses. This is helping to stretch that area. Now, what I'll do, typically, I'll do 20 pulses. And I try and do 3 sets of 20 pulses. Sometimes I don't get all 3. I may just do 1 or 2. But whatever you do, if you do it consistently and every day, it's going to work for you. So I'm leaning back and I'm trying to sink down into that stretch, and I can pulse and come up. Okay, that's the first exercise. Let me show you the second one. Actually, there's 3 exercises we're going to do. 2 of them are for the hip flexors and the quads. Okay, again, I've got my foot up there in the back, and I'm trying to pulse that to lengthen that quad and hip flexor. This is absolutely my weak link. I mean, it's so tight. So I've got to keep pulsing that. And again, I'll do 20 pulses on each side of that exercise. Third exercise, you want to work the opposing muscles. So now I'm going to work the hamstrings. Okay, so I work the front of the thigh, now I'm going to work the back of the thigh. Okay, using slant boards, which allows you to get a deeper stretch, I'm just stretching the back of the thigh, and again, I'll use those pulses to help me get deeper. This also helps strengthen the lower back, which is key to longevity. You don't want back problems because you want to keep moving. So again, I'll do 3 sets of that. I'll do the pulses and maybe just 20 all the way down and back up for the back as well, not only the hamstrings. So that's the workout. That's it. I shouldn't call this a workout. This is an active rest day. Okay, so I'm moving and I'm stretching. That's the key to longevity. Movement, stretching, and building your strength. And when you're using, like here, I've got a 20-pound kettlebell and I'm pulsing, I'm building my back strength. I can come all the way up if I want to even build it up more. So please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come. All the best.